Hi guys and welcome to my channel. I thought I would do a video today of an unboxing. Actually, I've got some bits that have come in from Superdrug and I've got some bits that have come in from Tam Beauty, so in a box. So I'm going to open up the Tam Beauty stuff first because this is what I'm most excited to get into. So they've changed their packaging. So that you're now getting a box and it's got Revolution makeup written on the side, and then inside, oh, I like this. Oh, this is really good. This is exciting. Inside it says, Revolution Beauty London, we fight for quality, we fight for speed, we fight for diversity, or we fight for you. And then on here we have the different brands. So we've got Revolution Makeup, we've got Revolution Pro, Obsession and I Heart Revolution. And then this is what's really exciting, is the fact that they've got hashtag revoholic written on it. So they've now got my revoholic, they've got that written on their boxes that they're dispatching. So that is really good. That is superb. I really like that. So I do have obviously the invoice. It's how it's been packed is actually quite good, because as you can see in here, if you lift, so easy, right? If you lift this bit up, like, if I can get it, like so, this comes out, this folds back down. So this can be folded up and reused. If you flatten this out, this is almost like shrink wrapped, but it isn't really, because you can just get into it. So inside we have Protagonist lipstick, which is one of the new ones from Revolution Pro. I didn't do a massive shop this time from Revolution because I knew that there was some new stuff coming out, so I saved some pennies. I'll just put another order in today, actually. So let me just show you. I mean, it's so much better because the stuff gets packed in there. It then gets folded down so that it can't move around in the box. That is ingenious. I really like that. So what have I got? I've got 2 palettes that I've bought with a lipstick, because they're doing an offer where if you spend 15 quid you get a free palette, and the free palette that they send you is the Million palette, and this is the 1 Million eyeshadow palette. Oh, this is gorgeous because it says thank you to all of our revoholic, so it's got revoholic written on there as well. Oh my goodness, I'm chuffed. So it's got a plastic sleeve, which is obviously like the Obsession makeup. Oh my goodness, look at the packaging on this. Oh, that is incredible. There is also tape on that as well, which I'm just going to undo so we can get into it. Do you know what? This feels so high end, and I can't wait to get into this. I am so excited. I know I'm like a kid at Christmas, but I am really, really excited. Wow, look at those. Ooh, okay. There's a mirror as well. God, this is so classy. This packaging is so classy. Look at those colours. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. They're beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I really like those. So you've got basically all like shimmer or a matte with a slight iridescence to it. So it's got 1 million, 1 million, 1 million, 1 million revolution. Oh, wow. That is like, I really like that. I really like that. That is so classy. That is so high end. It just feels so high end. I really love this. I really love this. Thank you to all of our revoholics. makes the heart melt. Really does make the heart melt. So I will obviously do a video on this so that you can see what it's like. And then I got the I Heart Revolution Unicorn's Heart. Can we just dig this packaging for a minute? I mean, look at this, right? Holographic or what? Mega holographic. So that you've got the unicorn's heart on the front, like the heart highlighter. On the back, you obviously have the colours that are inside. She is sealed, so I'm just going to pop her open so that you can have a look at it with me. So, ooh, magnetised. That's cool. So open it up and then, whoo! I wasn't expecting that to be so pretty. There's no mirror inside, but who bothers about a mirror? Look at those gorgeous, gorgeous colours. Wow. Look at these iridescent type blues and oh, I can't wait. I cannot wait. I've really got into, although you wouldn't see it today, I've really got into using these sort of blue colours. I can't wear green, so I didn't order the mermaid palette because I can't wear green. Green's just not right for me. But blues I can. This is insane. Totally insane. Gorgeous. So yes, I will do a video on that. Then we also have the dragon's heart. So you've got the same emblem as what's on the front of the dragon heart highlighter. And you also have obviously the colours on the back to show you what it's like. This says on the back here it's cruelty free. I'm not sure. It's recycled package. It's recyclable. It's got 12 months shelf life on it. The pans are, there's 12 pans and they are 0.03 ounces or 0.75 grams each. So again, it's got the magnetic bit on the front, so open her up. Wow. Wow, look at those. I love this iridescent one here. I'm just going to compare them together so that you can see what they're like together. I don't regret not getting the mermaid one because I really don't think I would have used it. But those definitely, I think they are beautiful. I can't wait to get in these. I can't wait to get in them. So those are those palettes. Exciting. Yeah, and I also picked up, to get my order over £15, because it obviously doesn't include postage, to get my order over £15 I ordered one of the lipsticks which is in Protagonist. Now the only thing I will say is I do feel like you're ordering blind with these, because all of these particular colours that I'm drawn to look very sort of grey and cool on the website, but then when they actually arrive, they're not, they're warm toned, but I still like that colour. I think that colour's gorgeous. I've actually got heroin on today. I keep saying that Revolution is my addiction. Revolution is my heroin. Oh. So, okay, now I'm going to open up the other box now. Okay. So what have I got here? I have got, yep, 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 right, they're all put away. Okie dokie. So I picked up another Supreme Hold finishing spray. I've been waiting for this. I've also picked up from Rags to Riches in the pigment because it's gold, and who doesn't like gold on their lips? So I've ordered that. Let's just get into it and have a look and see what that looks like. with the finishing spray. It's not exactly very interesting, is it? It's a finishing spray at the end of the day, which I will put on now because I haven't. Oh, I like that. That's great. Oh, it's so refreshing as well. So, okay, this is from Rags to Riches. So that's what the pigment looked like. And I'm just going to swatch that on my skin. Ooh, pretty. Pretty. So that's what that looks like. You know, I'm wondering if you can actually get away with that on your eyes, you know. Because it reminds me a little bit of like the Stila metals. I also ordered Unleashed, which is one of the palettes from Revolution Pro, which I hadn't got, and this looks very up my street, actually. Very up my street. There's lots of dark warmer colours and some nice shimmers in there as well. I love Your Loss, Pardon, Liberated, Vindicate, Unleashed, Unrestricted, Independent, Closure, Cut Loose, Free, Let Go. I love the names that Lois put on this. Brilliant. And then I have, this is the only item that isn't Revolution actually. I've finally got my hands on the Tropical Oceania palette. I've been debating whether to or not for probably about a year, because I've got the Burning Embers palette, and as much as I love it, it did have a lot of fallout after I used it. I ought to use it a bit more really because I do like it. So I thought, well, I'll get this because it's got lots of bright colours in it. So that's not a close look of that. If you'd like a proper up close look of this, let me know and I will do one for you. But I like this because you've got lots of mattes in there, but you've also got lots of shimmers as well, and you have got the ability to be able to do some neutral looks. Greens, I might be able to get away with that one and that one and that one. I don't think I could, those ones, don't think I could get away with that blue, but who knows, big nose. So yeah, that's my unboxing and haul. Yeah, I'm really excited because it's not very often I buy makeup. Now I've got cramp down my neck. So yeah, I'm really chuffed with the stuff that I've got. I hope you enjoyed this little miniature haul. I hope you enjoyed this little mini haul, and I will see you again in the next video. If you haven't been here already before, then please do subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and I will see you guys later. So mwah, mwah, ta-ta for now. Bye. Gosh, bye.